How to resize an image in Photoshop. Let's get into it. With your image open, go up to File and choose New. Under Preset Details, we want to make the width and height of the new image size that you want to have. Once you've done that, click Create. Next, what we want to do is go back to our original image, and in the Layers panel, we want to right-click on the image and choose Duplicate Layer. Once this window appears, we want to choose the destination as the new document that we've just created and choose OK. Next, we want to head into that new document, and we might need to zoom out a little bit depending on the size of your image. With the image selected, we want to press Command or Control T on our keyboard and size the image down so that it fits within our new document. I'm then going to zoom back into my image here by pressing Command or Control 0, and then all we need to do is drag the transform of this image down and size it within our document so that it fits the new parameters of this square. With that done, you can go ahead and click on the little tick mark and save your image. And that's all there is to it.